Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois. And today I want to give you a look at this pre-owned 2018 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 23 dBH. On the front of the unit, you do get a nice large storage space. It does have a lighted and power awning. Got outdoor speakers along with a TV mount and cable and satellite hookups along with an outlet. There are two entry doors. One leads directly into the bathroom, that would be this one. The other one leads into the main living space, which I'll show you inside. And on this side of the unit, you do get another large storage space. Let's go ahead and get a look inside. So we're going to start off right here in the bedroom. As you can see, you do have the side open cabinets, makes it easier to load and unload them. Mirrored closets on each side of the bed, along with USB ports and outlets. So if you have medical equipment or you need to charge your phone, you can do that right here at the bed. Right outside of the bedroom, you do have the accent wall. It is a brick look wall. You have a matching TV mount in here to the outside one. Here's your radio, and you do have a Fuzion fireplace. This unit does have one slide. On that slide is your cafe style dinette. It does have the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette, and this will fold down into a bed. You do have some storage space back here, along with two double bunks with the teddy bear mattresses. These are incredibly soft. Next to your bunks is your bathroom. So there's your second entry. Here is your medicine cabinet and vanity, along with your toilet and your bathtub shower combo. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom there. Over here is your Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Up top is a Greystone microwave. And below that is a 3-burner Fuzion stovetop and oven. Next to that, you do have a large single basin sink with a pull-down sprayer and some cabinetry and drawers. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available for sale here at Tri-State RV, come and see us in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.